Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare BMW X3 versus Land Rover Discovery Sport. We'll explore their distinct driving dynamics, interior comfort, and overall practicality. Discover which SUV better suits your lifestyle, whether you prioritize sporty handling or rugged versatility. We'll cover engine options, cabin design, and cargo space in detail. Get ready for a comprehensive look at these popular luxury compact SUVs. When it comes to performance, the BMW X3 typically delivers a more engaging and agile driving experience, perfect for spirited on-road journeys. Its engines often provide quicker acceleration. The Land Rover Discovery Sport, however, shines with its confident off-road prowess and comfortable ride over varied terrain. Both offer capable powertrains, but their focus differs significantly. Inside, the BMW X3 presents a sophisticated, driver-centric cabin with high-quality materials and intuitive controls. Its infotainment system is known for ease of use. The Land Rover Discovery Sport provides a more spacious and adaptable interior, often with flexible seating configurations. Both SUVs offer a luxurious feel, but the Discovery Sport emphasizes practicality and family-friendliness. For practicality, the BMW X3 provides ample cargo volume, typically around 31.5 cubic feet behind the rear seats, making it suitable for daily errands and road trips. The Land Rover Discovery Sport stands out with its superior off-road capabilities and impressive towing capacity, up to 409 pounds, appealing to adventurous drivers. Both offer strong resale value, but their strengths cater to different priorities. Check the description for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers, as well as other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.